Today's our topic is money. We use money every day in our lives. We buy things using coins and notes you can see in picture. Now come to the activity number 1 in which you can see some coins. Coin of rupees 5. Coin of rupees 2. Coin P1. Also these are some notes which is used in daily life. Sana has a rupees 10 note and a rupees 5 coin. How much money does she have? Calculate it and write down on your notebooks. Do you know 10 plus 5 is equal to how many rupees? After calculation the answer is rupees 15. Sana has rupees 15 in total. Lila has saved some money in money box. She has 5 rupees and 25 paise. How much she have saved? She saved 5 rupees and 25 paise. Do you know the dot is used to separate the paise from the rupees? How much has Dolly saved? See money in picture and calculate value. After calculation, write down the amount on your notebooks. 25 rupees and 100 paise. Also check the solution. Dolly has 25 rupees and 200 paise. If we calculate total amount the answer is rupees 27. Activity 2. Fill in the blanks. Count the money. And write the total amount on your copies. The total amount is rupees 30. Count the money. And write the total amount on your copies. What is total amount? Rupees 20 is the correct answer. Count the money. And write the total amount on your copies. Do you know what is the total amount? After calculation the total amount is rupees 120. Now move on the activity 3 and see the product price. What is the price of this product? You can see product price in words. Write down the price in digits. The price of this product is rupees 9.50. Now see the price of this item. The item have value in words. Write down value in digits. The price of this item is rupees 26. Activity 4. Ali and Zara are at a shop with their father. They each buy some things. Here are the prices of things they buy. See the prices of things. Now the question is Zara buys a bag and a cap. What is her total cost? Think about it and calculate the cost. The price of bag is rupees 100 and the price of cap is rupees 30. If you add 130 rupees then what is the total cost? Total cost is rupees 130. Yes, you are right. Now, the second question is: Ali buys a football and a cap. What is his total cost? Think and write answer on your notebook. See the price of football and cap. 50 plus 30 is equal to how many rupees? 50 plus 30 is equal to 80 rupees. The total cost is rupees 80. Yes, you are right. And the last question is: their father buys a book and a bag. What is the total cost? Think about it. See the price of book and bag in picture. Calculate rupees 70 and 100. And write the calculation on your notebook. The total cost is rupees 170. Yes, you are right. Thanks for watching.